have to wake up early. I have to go to school. I have to finish my homework. I have to clean my room. I have to wash my hands. I have to brush my teeth. I have to help my mother. I have to study English. I have to read a book. I have to write a letter. I have to buy some food. I have to go to the market. I have to call my friend. I have to send a message. I have to drink water. I have to eat lunch. I have to finish my work. I have to learn new words. I have to listen carefully. I have to practice speaking. I have to check my email. I have to open the door. I have to close the window. I have to turn on the light. I have to turn off the fan. I have to charge my phone. I have to take a shower. I have to get ready. I have to wear my shoes. I have to leave now. I have to catch the bus. I have to meet my teacher. I have to finish this task. I have to help my friend. I have to cook dinner. I have to wash the dishes. I have to clean the table. I have to take a break. I have to relax for a while. I have to watch the news. I have to learn something new. I have to check the time. I have to write notes. I have to prepare for the test. I have to speak slowly. I have to listen to music. I have to visit my family. Welcome home, Alex!
Alex, you're here!
I have to help my little brother. I have to finish my homework. I have to go to bed early.